Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Which nearly causes 2.8% global warming. Carbon dioxide has been significantly used in photosynthesis by green terrestrial and aquatic plants, but even then, its concentration in air has risen from about 280 ppm since the early 19th century to 316 ppm in 1960 and 359 ppm in 1994. During 1960s, 70s and 80s, the rate of increase had been 9.12 and 16 ppm respectively. With this emission, carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere could be 1600 ppm by the year 2050. At 400 ppm carbon dioxide level, global temperature would rise to about 1 degree Celsius. Second gas, there is a methane. Methane naturally emanates from garbage dumps, but it is also a primary component of natural gas. Rice fields and swamps contribute about 25 to 30% global methane production. India's contribution is nearly 6%. In India, paddy fields CH4 emission is about 2% of global paddy field emissions. That is 3.9 into 10 raised to 12 g CH4 per year out of 110 into 10 raised to 12 grams per year, and about 9% of global cattle garbage and waste matter. Contribution, that is 7 into 10 raised to 12 grams per year out of 80 in 10 raised to 12 grams per year. Methane concentration in the air has been considerably increased from 750 ppb, that is parts per billion, in 1750 AD to 1750 ppb in 2000 AD. Global warming potentiality of methane is 11 times higher than that of carbon dioxide. So from this, it is evident that methane is 11 times more than that of the carbon dioxide. Now, third gas to deal with is chlorofluorocarbons, what we call generally as CFCs. Modern world is using CFCs quite frequently. These are used in foams, that is about 26%, aerosols, that is about 25%, in solvents, that is about 19%, in air conditioners, that is about 12%, in refrigerants, 8%, and others 10%. India produces CFCs around 5,000 tons per year against the global production of 7 lakh tons per year, that is less than 1%. Global warming potentiality of CFCs is very high, 1600 to 15,000 times as compared to that of carbon dioxide. The concentration of CFCs in the atmosphere is less than 1 ppm, though it is increasing at the rate of 5% per year. World over, efforts are being made to reduce the CFC production, but more than 15 million tons have already been released in the atmosphere by 1985. Fourth gas is nitrous oxides. It is quite a stable gas. Average life is 150 years with dual damaging effects. It is not only a greenhouse gas but also an ozone destroyer. It eats up ozone slowly. The common sources of nitrous oxide production are natural soil, inland waters, oceans, fertilizers, and burning of forests, grasslands, and other biomass. The global warming potentiality of nitrous oxides is 270 times higher than that of carbon dioxide. The concentration of nitrous oxides in the atmosphere has increased from about 270 ppb in the pre-industrial time, there is 1750 AD to about 316 ppb in the year 2000 AD. Ozone, CCl4, CS3, CCl3 and HCFC are other greenhouse gases. Now generally we'll see what are the sources of greenhouse gases. Now greenhouse gases, that is carbon dioxide, the source of discharge of carbon dioxide is from burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, fires, respiration, freshwater bodies, enteric fermentation, rice fields, and in this way that is about 61%.